The question says which electronic configuration is not observing n plus L rule. Okay, always keep in mind, higher the value of n plus L, higher is the energy of the orbital. Okay, higher the value of n plus L and higher is the energy of the orbital. If we talk about Abou's principle, so filling of electron in lower energy orbital is done first, then that of orbitals having higher energy. Okay, orbitals having lower energy are filled first with electron. Okay, are filled with electron first. Now pay attention carefully. If you look at the electronic configuration, we have electronic configuration up to 3p6 same is there. Okay, it is up to same, but 3d 4s 3d 4s 3d 4s, here we have the variation. Okay, so first of all we have 3d and 4s. Okay, these are the orbitals. We can calculate n plus L value, and then we can decide which orbital should be filled with electron first. Okay, complete filling of electron. So this is what we have. 3d is there, 3d. Okay, we have learned L value is 0 for s orbital, 1 for p orbital, 2 for d orbital, and 3 for f orbital is there. Okay, 3d is there. So n value, in this case this is n value plus, and this is L value, and for d orbital L value will be 2. Okay, L value 2 we can plug in. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 is there. Okay, now we can calculate n plus L value for 4s also. This is what n value, this is what L value. N value is what 4 plus L value 0 for s orbital, we are getting 4. Okay, so now if you compare n plus L value, you can see n plus L value for 3d orbital is higher than 4s. 4s n plus L value means 3d orbital is having higher energy than 4s orbital. And what is the condition? According to Abou's principle, filling of lower energy orbital must be done before filling of higher energy orbitals. Means 4s orbital must be completely filled before filling 3d orbital. Okay, so in this case you can see 4s orbital is completely filled before filling 3d orbital. This is correct. 4s orbital completely filled before filling 3d orbital. Here also in D option you can see 4s2 is there. S orbital having lower energy is completely filled before filling D orbital. But if you look at the C option, 3d 5 4s1 is there. 3d 5 4s1 is there. Before completely filling 4s orbital, you can see filling of 3d orbital is done. And this is happening due to half fill electronic configuration. Okay, in this case we are getting how many in d orbital, how many boxes are there? We have 5 boxes are there. So 1 2 3 4 5 is there. Half fill electrons are there. Okay, half fill. So it is gaining stability. To gain the stability, it is ignoring n plus L rule. Okay, so it is pulling one electron in general. This is the electronic configuration of chromium. Okay, and in this case we apply half fill rule. Half fill rule. We ignore n plus L rule. Okay, so before filling lower energy orbitals, we start filling higher energy orbitals. So you can see it says option C does not follow n plus L rule. Option C is correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.